Hello students, welcome to Shourabh Sir's classes. So in today's video we'll solve a question from cost function. So in question from cost function, so the question goes like this: at the point of tangency between short run average total cost and long run average total cost, the short run marginal cost is greater than the long run marginal cost, less than the long run marginal cost, is far above the long run marginal cost, and equals to the long run marginal cost. So we have four options, out of which we have to figure out the right options. So first of all we need to write down. So we'll take another page to look what actually happens in this case. So I'll take another page. So here what we have to do is, at the point of tangency between short run average cost and long run average cost, that is AC, the short run marginal cost we know is equals to long run marginal cost. Now we'll go to the options again, but before going to the options, first I'll draw a diagram. So on the horizontal axis we take quantity, and on the vertical axis we take cost. So now we know LAC is a U-shaped curve, and inside the LAC there are various short run curve like this. So LAC basically makes an envelope. So all these are short run average cost curve, all these are short run average cost curve. You can simply name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now out of this 5, what we can do is, now we will write the long run marginal cost curve, and this is the envelope, that is the which envelopes this all this short run average cost curve. We call this long run average cost curve. Now there are various short run marginal cost curve, goes like this. So short run marginal cost curve goes like this, which is tangential to short run average cost curve. Now we know that is long run marginal cost curve, which is this LMC, is equals to SMC. So at the point of tangency where short run average cost curve and long run average cost curve, that is at this point or at this point, LMC is equals to SMC. So where the tangency between SAC and LAC, we know the SMC is equals to LMC. So now we'll go back to the question again. So in the question there were four options given, out of which I'll now read: greater than the long run marginal cost curve. So obviously this is not right. Less than the long run marginal cost curve, this is also not right. Is far above the long run marginal cost curve, it is also not right. So the right answer is equals to the long run marginal cost curve. So the right answer is this. Now if you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shourabhsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam on economics. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.